sketch the graph of y equals sine inverse of x over 2. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to start with the graph of the inverse sine. We know what that looks like. So the inverse sine has a domain of -1 to 1. I'm going to do -1 to 1, and it has a range of -π/2 to +π/2. So we'll do here -π/2 to +π/2. Okay, and it looks kind of like this. Okay, I'm really bad at drawing it. I want to make sure that this is looking really good. Okay, so that's the graph of the inverse sine of x. And then we just need to do transformations to get it to be this function. And so here we've just replaced x with x over 2. And replacing x with x over 2 is a horizontal stretch of by a factor of 2. In other words, all of our x values on the graph here are actually multiplied by 2. So now we're actually going to have a domain of -2 to +2. Okay. Our range doesn't change because only a horizontal change was happening. And so then we get our, oh, that's not quite what I wanted. So that's going to be our graph there. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. Was our starting point. That was the sine function that we were working off of. Okay. And so this is our graph then of the inverse sine of x over 2.